Hey guys, how you doing?
Hello.
It's sunny Sunday morning. Me and Sammy are up because we're on the way to Slough swap meet.
Slough, not Slough swap meet.
Slough, not Slough. It's actually Newbury. That's where we're going now. And we spotted some traffic on the way.
Have a look.
We're guessing that these guys are going to Slough. They're going to swap. So we're going to find a few bits and kind of show you guys, if you've never been, what a swap meet's all about. Sammy, you look very tired.
I had to wake up at like 7:30.
7:30 on a Sunday, oh my god.
I'm not happy. Not happy. But it pays off. It pays off.
What does?
Going to Slough swap meet.
Yeah.
Slough, not Slough swap meet.
Slough, not Slough.
Woo.
See you there, guys. So we're just on the way in, and interestingly, if you're in an air-cooled Volkswagen, there's a few ahead of us, you get to go and park right at the entrance. Us lot will have to park elsewhere. The cool air-cooled stuff goes that way, and we go this way. We're in. We are at the swap meet. Do you want to see what we can find?
Yeah.
So in an effort to make sure we actually got here today, we came in a classic Nissan Qashqai. All right, so we were too scared to bring one of the old vans at the moment, but we got here. That's the main thing. Volkswagen, Volkswagen, new Volkswagen, 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 Caddy, Volkswagen, 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 Volkswagen. Irv is here. Hi, Irv. So, we're just coming from the car park behind us. How many Volkswagens, even new ones? Nearly everyone here, apart from us in a Japanese Nissan. Anyway, you've got the air-cooled car park is over there, which we will go and have a look at, maybe when it warms up. And then over here is the grandstand and the actual entrance. Targets. We've got a list of what we need. We were going to run through it here outside, but it's freezing, so we're going to go inside, maybe get a cuppa. The other thing is, don't forget cash. Lots of cash. Most stuff here is cash.
And bring a bag.
Oh, and a bag. Yeah, good idea. Oh, so prepared. Warmer. Literally, that was just 30 seconds of us walking in, so that's not even a quarter of what's here. We haven't even been over there yet. Let's come and take a look.
So, there's two types of things for Volkswagens. There's the necessities and the luxuries. One luxury is a cool box. There's a lot here and they're all very good, but I think they'll be a bit too expensive. Wide fives there.
Wide fives, yeah,
How much is cheap crap?
I believe that is probably £5, but if you really want it, you can have it for £3.
Oh, thank you.
Sam has been here 30 seconds. 30 seconds, Sam.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, buddy.
Hours of fun with that.
I bought a gear knob.
First purchase.
Yeah.
So that. All right. Look what I spotted. You need two?
Two.
Go and ask the man.
Okay.
And I've spotted something else equally important. Can you see? It's in there. Check it out. It's so cold, I reckon. That's pretty rare, Sam. That's it. I've just spotted on the Geek Shack. Check out this wireless hidden speakers in there. How cool is that? And other than that, we look at the other side of it. Check out those. I think this will be worth a visit back, Sammy. I spotted someone. Well, actually, he spotted us. It's Alex.
Hi.
Hey, buddy.
How
What
are
have you been up to?
Buying crap.
Buying crap.
Stuff that I don't need.
That's generally what we do here.
Yeah, you don't need anything, and then someone entices you to buy something on a table, and then you buy mirrors for £90 that, I don't know, you've got mirrors.
Were they on your list?
They were actually on my birthday list.
Oh, were they? Okay.
But I don't think my parents know what they were, so I
Okay.
bought them to save on the £6 postage.
Needless to say, you've still got stuff on your list, but you probably
Yeah.
haven't ticked much of it off because you keep getting sidetracked.
Yeah, I keep seeing people.
And is that what you did from this guy? Is this behind
Yeah,
us?
auto wears. They do like convex mirrors or concave, concave, I don't know which
But
one
you can
makes-
see out of them.
Can't see out of them. For a left-hand drive, it's great for UK roads.
Okay, we're going to have a look at those, I think.
Do it, yeah.
We'll have a look now.
No, go on then. So,
What have you found?
I bought these mirrors from Autowares. They do quite good split screen stuff, Beetle stuff. And this is what a normal mirror is.
So
you
there you
can
go.
see
Just
what,
about fit the camera in that one.
and then they do convex, which makes it a lot wider.
Whoa, look how much more you can see. That's
So you can see
incredible.
loads.
And you bought them
Yeah, I bought some
from these guys?
from these guys.
Okay. You tell us in a few months' time maybe whether you've used
I
them
will,
to their
yeah.
advantage?
I'll message you once I put them on and I drive to, I don't know, Ninova whenever I take the bus out for the first time.
That looks good.
Check it out.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Quick update, which is tiring, but
Hungry.
we're getting there, hungry. It's emptied out a bit now, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
But I don't know about you, Sam, I am parts blind now.
Oh yeah.
Have a look at the
I've
list.
always been
We've got that
parts
list. Right. We kind of don't know what we have.
We have wing mirrors.
We've kind of got rid of quite a lot on that list. But we did get this for Norway. Yeah. Should we head back in there? You ready for this?
This one.
What have you found?
A bunch of badges, and they're
Let's have a look.
epic.
You like it?
I love them. Look at it. Cobra.
Speedwell.
Oh look, V-Dub. And Volkswagen.
Back in the car park.
And it's still cold.
But we had a fairly successful mission, I think. What we are left with, though, are these lovely, lovely, lovely vans in the car park. Let's go have a look.
Let's go.
Quick. Bit ominous. And it wouldn't be the same if the lads weren't working on the vans in the car park. We're even letting the 25s into the car park now.
yeah.
We spotted this early bay single cab pickup left-hand drive. But what's of interest are these sites. So they're Westphalia, I don't know what you call them, another proper name for them, but they're like a wide bed, farmer's bed. So this is ultimately what we're going to be putting into the Kempering. go, Sam. That was Slough, not Slough swap meet. I don't know about you, but I am pretty knackered. No, don't start that stuff.
Every time you say it.
You start me off. Oh,
Every time you say
is it
it.
proper? Right, not tired. No, it certainly wasn't boring. It was just quite tiring. And we're chatting to a few people. We bumped into some lovely people. So, yeah. What's next? I suppose we've got a bag full of goodies that we need to go and have a rummage through when we get home. And maybe try and see if our list... Do you think we got anything off our list? What do you reckon?
I highly doubt it.
Our list, we weren't too organised, were we? That's maybe a thing for next time. Knowing a bit more about what we're after. Maybe some pickies. Because we thought we knew what we wanted, and then you get presented with about 10 of the same things that are slightly different but the same. Anyway, I'm parts blind now. Home to bed.
Yeah. Nutjob.
I'm back. Have you missed me? No. Don't miss me. Right, I am back from Slough, not Slough swap meet. Wasn't massively organised, as we said. Not much crossed off, but I think we have. So I'm going to go through, see what we got. Goodies. Lots of goodies. Mirrors. Old shitey mirrors for 777 and red. Anyway, £5 ago, job done. Complete. Late split, early bay. £10 for both. All the terminals are on there. It's working. £10, old bus, can't go wrong. Pair of splitty sliders, hold your splitty windows out. £5. This I thought was quite good for the Kemper ink that we're doing. £10, £5 each. I don't know if that's good. That good? That's good. £5 each. There you go, that'll do. Splitty mirror glass. Again, it's one of the old ones. A bit chipped around the edges, don't matter. £5. For Sammy's bay. Splitty rather. Quarter window. Missing bits for the brackets to go on, but we can sort that. Yeah, £10 each. £10 each, Jed? Yeah, that's good. 8-ball gear knob for Sammy's splitty. No brainer really, that was a £5. Catch. Sliding window catch. We've got another one of those somewhere. I think it might be in his pocket. He's probably taking it to school with him. I think they were about a £10. Got to make sure the spring's working, which it is. This is for the vent inside Alberta. Opens that one up. £6. Don't know. Door handle, £6. This kiddie, we didn't know we wanted until we found it. We're just about to embark on the Kemper ink project, Late Bay Kemper ink. We have an original badge. Now, when we got this badge, the guy, I think it was one of the guys on the hay burner stand, his mate went to the Kemper ink factory in Holland. The factory's no longer there, but they found a box of these left over. So they had them away, and this is one of the old badges to do with Kemper ink. Anyway, Kemper ink, you'll see project coming up. Quite an interesting Late Bay. Used to belong to Just Campers. Their parts bus. Anyway, Kemper ink, pretty special. And the badge. This is going on the Norway Splitty bus, which is just there, panel van. Lovely patinaed. Bit of a bargain, that one. Well, I think, sounds like a lot of money, right? £50. I don't know, £50. Is it OG? Is it original? Someone tell me. It's got studs rather than, what do you call it? What's the word for nuts, Jad? The thing you do nuts up on?
Bolts.
No.
Studs.
No. The little liney bits that screws the bolts go onto. Thread. Right, so they got no thread, which is like push on. So, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I got completely ripped off, but ordinarily, an OG badge, quite a lot more than that. I've paid more from in the past. Get that one on. I've yabbered on enough. That's what we got to get them on the van. Could have got a lot more, to be honest, but I started going a bit parts blind by that point, and I was hungry as well. So anyway, cheers guys. I did also want to say thank you to everybody yesterday, because we met some really lovely people, but thank you especially to some of the guys who had some bits for Sam's van, and when they realised it was for Sam's van, they gave it to him either really, really discounted or for free. FBI Classic, Swansea, brilliant. He's absolutely made up, and that means his van will get made up. Cheers guys. whilst I've been getting these things out of the bag, I can hear a conversation going on in the background. And the conversation is pretty much, can I get your heart going again with a welder? So seriously, right, hang on, let's go and have a chat with the boys. Okay.
If I came in here, John was falling down there and he was dead, his heart had stopped.
John, it's not going to fall down in front of you.
But just say you did.
It's not going to happen. If I'm going to die, I'll go and do it in peace. Because I never
But-
knew mucking around with Wilbur.
If he did, and the only chance he had was while someone was running for the defibrillator down the road, I could get a head start with a welder.
Yeah.
I'm going to do some research.
And then, if you do bring me round, someone's going to need an ambulance for you.
John, that's not very nice, John. Mind you haven't got to worry about that moment until it happens, Jazz.
Yeah, that's it.
So it's win-win. It's either successful or not successful.
That's it, and John won't know nothing about it, and he believed he came on dying.
So, there you go.
That's it. Heart surgery by Jazz.
I could have found some spare stints or something up at the swap meet, but we could have had a go at putting one of them in as well.
Box of springs down there, do it.
Yeah, box of spring, that'll do it. Anyway, there you go, John. We are thinking of you.
Yeah, thanks, mate.